Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at, of course, is that tin litho set that I bought last Sunday. Found it on eBay for $7.80. I was the only bidder on it. No idea why. Anyway, this is going to a 6-year-old. So this was the perfect choice. The engine is made of steel. All the cars are made of stamped steel. It has no headlight. It has no side rods to get bent. So there's not much a child can do to this as far as breaking it. As long as they don't pick it up and throw it, this little engine will probably run forever, literally. Anyway, I went down to Menards today and I got some new track. So brand new track. I just got this set up and I'm going to do the first run of this tin litho set. This is about 1962, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to do the first test run of this tin litho on this new Menards track. So using the original transformer, I went down to Ace Hardware and got 6 feet of thin zip cord and made a new magnetic lock-on. And this is just 2 cup magnets soldered directly to the power cord, and with no physical connection, they just stick directly to the rail and supply power to the train. So all you do is you set up your track and then you take your new magnetic lock-on and slide it under until it's touching the center rail and the outside rail, just like that. And this actually sticks quite well. So got the magnetic lock-on the rail, turn the power on, power is on. All right, this is the first test of this tin litho set with the new Menards track and, of course, the magnetic lock-on. So let's see how this goes. As you see, that is running just absolutely splendidly. Excuse me. Now this is a really basic set, but remember it's going to a 6-year-old. So I wanted something that was almost indestructible. And I thought this was the perfect choice because it's all made of steel. There's no side rods to get damaged or bent. There's no light bulb to burn out, even if they drop it. And this was $7.80, and I spent more on the track than I did on the train. And that's running just absolutely splendidly. So this is the original 20-watt transformer, set just below slow, the magnetic lock-on, and the new Menards track. So couldn't be happier with this. Now the nice thing about this track, of course, is that you can change the shape of this really quickly. So what I've done is I got 031 curves, 2 30-inch straights, and a 10-inch across the end. So you can shorten it by taking one of these out and putting it on the end and basically turning it into a square. So you can do a lot with this track, which is why I laid it out this way. So if you don't want to take up a lot of room, you can make it much shorter. You can just take one of them out and make it shorter and keep it this exact oval shape if you want to. But that's running just absolutely perfectly. All right, let's take it a little bit faster. No idea how fast it can go. It doesn't weigh anything. Okay, that's right at slow now. All right, let's slow it down. So it runs really well. It's quiet. It's really basic, really simple. But like I said, it is virtually indestructible. I thought it was the perfect choice to give to a 6-year-old. So this is running really well. Couldn't be happier with this. So last night I lubed all the wheels. It's got a bit of rust on it, but nothing major at all. I mean, this train is 50+ years old. So anyway, first run around the new Menards track. And went up to Menards, and surprisingly they had this all set up with lots and lots of track. And Only took a minute to go up and grab it all, and brought it home, set it up. Just built that new magnetic lock on, and wanted to document the first trip around the rail. This will very likely be the very last video on this. I'm going to ship it out on Monday. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing a video of it running. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.